Weight loss tips: 5 powerful ways to lose your weight. Losing weight is not an easy task. It needs relentless efforts and patience. If you are overweight or obese person, then you should give importance to weight loss in order to prevent hazardous effects of obesity. You can find numerous ways available to lose your weight. You can opt for surgery, take pills, or follow any specialized diet meal plan to lose your weight quickly. Losing weight is not an easy task. It needs relentless efforts and patience. If you are overweight or obese person, then you should give importance to weight loss in order to prevent hazardous effects of obesity. You can find numerous ways available to lose your weight. You can opt for surgery, take pills, or follow any specialized diet meal plan to lose your weight quickly. But quick weight loss may not work in a healthy way and deteriorates your health instead of improving it. Therefore, before selecting any option for weight loss, you must study several options and select the best from the pool. Here you will discover 5 workable and powerful ways to lose your weight. 1. Keep time intervals between your meals. Frequent eating cannot be a good habit. There should be intervals between your eating. You should keep 4-hour gap between each of your meals. Breakfast is very important. Hence, you should take it regularly. However, when it comes to the dinner, make sure you take it in a light amount and 2 to 3 hours before going to the sleep. 2. Drink water instead of cold drinks and sugary sodas. If cold drinks, sugary sodas, or any other drinks are the parts of your daily diet, then replace them with the water. You should try to drink as much water during the day. Many medical practitioners suggest to drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. 3. Walking is the best exercise. Walking helps you to burn your calories. It is the best exercise for overall fitness. Make sure you take a walk every day whenever it is possible. Don't use elevators and climb stairs to reach your home and office. 4. Go to the gym or do exercise on a regular basis. If you want to lose weight fast, then exercise is must. Either job gym or start doing exercise at your home under the guidance of your doctor or exercise expert. Most of the people spend 8 to 10 hours at their workplace. At home, they spend most of their time in watching television or playing video games. It resulted in fat gain and obesity. In order to stay fit and healthy, you need to involve yourself in some sort of physical activity. Weight exercise and other type of exercises are the best options to burn fat and calories to reduce your weight. 5. A custom diet plan is the best option to reduce weight. If you are looking for painless and healthy weight loss option, then custom diet plan is the finest option. It eliminates unhealthy food from your diet and replaces it with health food. Hence, you stay away from starving and eating some silly food. Weight loss is very important for overweight and obese person in order to improve health and prevent chronic health diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. If you are trying to lose your weight, then by following the above methods along with a custom diet plan and psychology articles, you can surely get good results. Please my channel subscribe.